Hi there! In order to save your precious time, I'm going to show you how to navigate through the SYSTRONICS website with ease and find the information you need. To view our products and customizations, just hover the Products tab at the navigation bar and click the corresponding option. On each product page, you can see the product overview, currently supported and available versions, and frequently asked questions. For accessing the product cheat sheet, brochure, presentation, and webinar recordings, click the Marketing Collateral tab. To download installation packages and trial versions of our products and check current prices, you should log into your partner account on our website or create one if you don't have any. It's easy, fast, and free of charge. To request activation codes, click the Code Request button on the product page, select the license type, enter the required information, and click Submit. If you need any assistance, contact our support team by clicking the support button. Choose one of the options, post online or send email, fill in the information required and submit. Our support team will get back to you ASAP. If you have other questions or need additional help with navigating through the SYSTRONICS website, please contact us at sales@systronics.com and our team will be happy to assist you.